Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be comparing Ghost and Substack on what is the best for a Canadian blog. If you're looking for the best site for blogs, then this video is definitely for you, so let's not waste any time. Smash that subscribe button and let's get into this. Substack is a hosted newsletter/blogging service. A hosted tool means that you don't need to install any software to create a website. You just sign up and start writing. Ghost is free, open-source software. It's like self-hosted WordPress, if you're familiar with the WordPress software. That means anyone can download the Ghost software for free and install it on their own web hosting. Substack is super easy to get started with. All you need to do is register for an account. Once you've done that, you can manage your newsletter from a simple dashboard. To create content, you can use a basic text editor that works a lot like Microsoft Word/Google Docs. When you publish a piece of content, you can choose between making it available to everyone or only paying subscribers. You'll also get other areas to manage your subscribers and stats. Because Ghost is free, open-source software, there are two different ways that you can use Ghost. Either you can pay the Ghost team to host the software for you, or you can install the Ghost software on your own web hosting. This is more complex and requires some technical knowledge, but it gives you full control over your platform. If you're not a technical person, you should use Ghost's paid Ghost Pro service so that you won't mess around with installing the software yourself. With Ghost Pro, you'll get a simple onboarding wizard to set up key details. In the past, you'd be inside the dashboard in under a minute, but in recent times, Ghost has forced free trial users to provide their credit card info, in order to prevent spam. Once you go through the process, you'll be launched into the Ghost dashboard, which provides an easy way to manage all aspects of your site. To create content, you can use the Ghost editor, which offers a nice distraction-free interface. In addition to adding text, you can also use the plus icon to insert other elements like restricted email-only content, public previews, while restricting the rest of the content to members, images or image galleries, embeds from third-party sources such as Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, and more. When you publish a post, you can choose to either not send an email to free members, send an email to paid members. Keeping all that in mind, you can easily understand and make a decision on what suits the best for you and your workflow. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more like these.